Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine and following all the guidelines of COVID 19. Children, in some days your exams will begin, so this is the time when you all have to take care of yourselves because in the exam time, especially in the exam time, you should be healthy. Okay, children, so follow all the guidelines which is related to the COVID 19. So, children, today is 17th August and that is Tuesday, and you all are having your MSc class. In our previous classes of MSc, we have finished lesson number till lesson number 5. So, in this class, we will study this lesson number 6. So, the name of the lesson is The Fasting Monkeys. The name of the lesson is The Fasting Monkeys. Monkeys, so we all know, we have seen so many monkeys all around us, and we know the habits also of the monkeys. So in this chapter we will study about the monkeys who are fasting. Fasting means vrat rakhna. Okay, in this story we will study about the monkeys, those who are fasting for some time. Okay, and in this story because of the monkeys we'll get to know that if you are going to do something, first of all you should think properly and then we should take a decision to do that. Okay, so let's start the story. It is a very nice and interesting story, you all will love it. Okay, so let's start. In a forest, a community of monkeys decided to observe a fast at the behest of their chief's wife. Okay, so in a forest there was a community, means so many monkeys. Community means so many monkeys lived together in a forest, and they decided to observe a fast, means they decided to put a fast at the behest of their chief's wife. Okay, उनकी chief की जो wife थी, okay, because of her only they wanted to keep the fast. Okay, children, they wanted to keep the fast. Now see this, at the behest of the meaning of this phrase is because somebody has ordered or requested it. Okay, at the behest means maybe chief's wife ordered or chief's wife requested to the monkeys that you should observe a fast. Okay, so that is why all the monkeys, those who were living in the community, they were observing a fast. Okay, on the day of the fast the chief summoned his clan and said, we have to observe the fast today. Okay, on the day of the fast means on the day when they have to put the fast, the chief, means the head of the monkeys, called all the monkeys and said, we have to observe a fast today. He said that we have to put a fast today. Nobody will eat anything before the sunset. He said because we have to put a fast, we have to observe a fast today, so nobody will eat anything before the sunset. Okay, before the sunset no monkey will eat anything. So what happened then? An elderly monkey suggested that some young monkeys should be sent in the morning to collect some food that the clan will need at sunset. Okay, so in the community of the monkey, an elderly monkey was there, means एक बड़ा monkey था. So what he suggested, he said that some young monkeys should be sent in the morning. Okay, some young monkeys should be sent in the morning to the forest and they should bring some food for us, so that in the evening when we will break our fast, okay, that time we will eat. Okay, so he suggested that. The chief agreed and sent 5 young monkeys to collect food that they would need at the end of the day while breaking the fast. Okay, so the chief agreed. The chief said okay. So he sent 5 young monkeys to the forest to collect the food and bring them because they need it at the end of the day while breaking the fast. When they will break the fast at the evening, so they need the food. Okay, they'll need that. So that is why he sent 5 monkeys to collect the food. Okay, then soon the young monkeys returned with the branch of a banana tree loaded with bananas. Okay, soon means very soon, थोड़ी देर में ही. The young monkeys returned with the branch of a banana. All the 5 young monkeys returned home with the branch of the banana. They brought the branch of banana. Now see in this picture here. Okay, branch of the banana means so many bananas they brought. Okay, then I suggest we distribute the share of each one of us now so that time is not wasted at the end of the day, suggested the chief's wife. Okay, so when they brought the bananas, so many bananas these monkeys brought, so chief's wife, means the head of the monkey was there na, his wife said chief's wife said, I suggest we distribute the share of each one. She said that we should distribute all the bananas amongst the monkeys. हमें सारे bananas को monkeys के बीच में properly distribute कर देना चाहिए, so that the time not wasted at the end of the day. So the time will not be wasted. When they will break the fast, they will eat the bananas, and that time the time will not be wasted in distributing the bananas. Okay, so we should distribute all the bananas among the monkeys. The chief nodded and the bananas were rightfully distributed. Nodded means the chief agreed. Okay, nodded means the chief agreed. Chief said okay, and these 5 monkeys distributed all the bananas, okay, in amongst the monkeys. In all the monkeys, in amongst the bananas, sorry, amongst the monkeys, all the bananas were distributed. Okay, now see in the next page, children. See here. Every monkey kept his share in front of him. So what they did when all the bananas were distributed to them, so all the monkeys, every monkey kept their share, means they have to equally distributed all the bananas in the monkeys. Okay, so suppose if anyone have got 1 banana or 2 bananas, equally share they got. Okay, so they kept their share. ठीक है, जितना भी उनको बनानास मिले थे, they kept their share in front of him. उन्होंने अपने सामने रख लिया. ठीक है, then what happened? I think we should peel off the bananas and keep them ready to save time, said one of the young monkeys. Now, see in this picture, these 5 monkeys went to take the bananas, na? So one of the young monkeys said what he said. He said we should peel off the bananas and keep them ready to save the time. He said peel off means छील लेना. Peel off means to take out the skin of the banana, means छील लेना. तो उसने बोला कि हमें bananas को छील लेना चाहिए. Okay, so and keep them ready to save the time. और हमें उनको ready कर देना चाहिए, so that the time will not be wasted when we will break the fast. Okay, then all agreed and each one peeled off the bananas and kept them in front of themselves. See, okay, then all the monkeys were agreed, and what they did, they peeled off all the bananas and kept them in front of themselves. Okay, they have taken out the skin of the banana, means they have peeled off, उन्होंने छील लिया बनाने को, खोल लिया, and they kept all the bananas in front of themselves. Just then a baby monkey asked the chief, can I keep a banana in my mouth? Then in the community of the monkeys, a baby monkey was there. Okay, he was very small. He wanted to eat the banana. Okay, he didn't want to eat the banana at the evening. He wanted to eat the banana that time only. So what he did, he asked the chief. Okay, he asked the head of the monkey, what, can I keep my banana in my mouth? क्या मैं अपना banana अपने mouth में रख सकता हूँ? I promise not to eat before sunset. Okay, he said. Now he was a baby. He don't know. Okay, so he said, I promise not to eat before sunset. He said, can I keep my banana in my mouth? And I promise that I will not eat that banana before sunset. Only I will keep that banana in my mouth only. Okay, so there was a murmur of discussion among the monkeys. Murmur means to say something in a soft, quiet voice. Okay, to say something in a soft voice, very soft voice. धीरे धीरे कुछ फुसफुसा के बोलना. Okay, so there was a murmur of the discussion among the monkeys. Okay, all the monkeys were talking softly amongst themselves. Then what happened? The chief's wife finally said, you can put in your mouth, but don't eat it. Okay, then when all were talking, so the chief's wife, that time only the chief's wife said, okay, baby monkey, you can keep your banana in your mouth, but don't eat before sunset. Okay, so then what happened? Now you think, children, if you will put your banana in your mouth, you will you be able to not to eat before the sunset? It is not possible. Okay, then that is why only baby monkey said that to keep a banana in the mouth only. Then finally it was agreed that a banana could be kept in the mouth. Okay, finally everybody agreed. All the monkeys were agreed that baby monkey will put the banana in the mouth. Each monkey placed a banana in his or her mouth and looked suspiciously at the other. Okay, now all the monkeys, not only the baby monkey, all the monkeys, those who were living in the community, They kept the banana in their mouth and they were looking at each other. Okay, why they were looking at each other? They were looking that he is eating or not, she is eating the banana or not. Okay, they were looking to each other. Soon the banana in the mouth melted and went down the gullet. Okay, now soon the banana, बहुत जल्दी banana घुल गया, melted means घुल गया, and went down the gullet. Okay, gullet means गले के अंदर चला गया. Okay, very soon the banana melted and went down the gullet of every monkey. Within no time, all the bananas had disappeared, ending the fast. Okay, so because they have eaten one banana and after that they have eaten all the bananas. Okay, because they were hungry, they have eaten all the bananas. So, what we learned from the story? Children, you should first decide your action thoughtfully and then take a firm decision. Okay, so from the story we learned that we should first decide what we have to do properly and then we should take a decision to do that work. Once you have decided on a matter, be firm. Okay, if you have decided that you have to do something, okay, then we have to be firm. Like monkeys have decided to observe a fast, so they should observe a fast that time. They should not eat the banana, but they have eaten the banana. This is not the way. Okay, if we will do like this, we cannot achieve our goals. Okay, don't let temptation distract you or weaken you. Now, what is the meaning of temptation? Temptation means a feeling of doing something even though if you know that it is wrong. मुझे अगर हमें पता हो हम लोगों को कि कोई काम गलत है तब भी हमारा वो करने का मन करे, this is the meaning of temptation. So don't let temptation distract you or weaken you. If we are feeling also to do something when we know that it is wrong, then we should not do that. Okay, if you are firm, you will achieve your target and you will always be appreciated. Okay, if we will be firm, if we have decided we have to do something, then we should do something. Then only we'll achieve our target and all of us, everybody will appreciate us. Everybody will say that, oh, this is a good guy. Okay, whatever we have to do, we should first think, and once we have decided that we should do something, then we should do something. We should डू दैट. अगर हमने डिसाइड कर लिया कि हमें कुछ करना है तो हमें करना चाहिए, किसी चीज़ से भी मतलब रुकना नहीं चाहिए. ओके, किसी भी चीज़ से, सपोज वी आर ऑल्सो ऑब्जर्विंग अ फास्ट, हम लोग भी फास्ट रखते हैं तो हमें भूख लग रही है तो पता चला हमने खा लिया और फास्ट टूट गया, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. वंस वी हैव डिसाइडेड वी हैव टू डू समथिंग, तो वी शुड डू समथिंग. ओके, देन ओनली वी कैन अचीव आवर गोल्स. ओके, सो this was the explanation of this chapter, children. If you have understood, very good. If not understood, you can ask me in the Google Classroom. Okay, children, the written work of this chapter I will send you in the Google Classroom. That time you all can complete it. So we'll meet again in the next class, children. Till then, take care and bye-bye.